Want to earn money from Amazon by simply doing work from home, but you don't know how to do that? Don't worry, we have your back. We will tell you how to do that in 8 simple steps. Step 1. Choose your niche. Just pick a product that is high in demand and focus on selling that product. Step 2. Find products to sell on Amazon FBA. You can source popular products already selling well and sell the same products under your brand. Step 3. Source your private label products. It's time to find relevant manufacturing companies who can offer the products as private labels. In other words, they make the product, and we buy it from them at wholesale prices and brand it with our brand. Step 4. Establishing your brand. Whether you start developing a long-term brand or pick something to go with your first product, your brand is essential for your marketing strategy. Step 5. Create your seller account. To ship your items to the Amazon fulfillment centers, you'll need your account and product listings. Step 6. Shipping your Amazon product. At first impression, shipping seems a highly complicated undertaking. However, it's pretty simple once you understand the process. You have a choice whether to ship by sea or by air. Step 7. Launching your products on Amazon. Step 8. Building your off-Amazon audience. We will have to consistently find reviewers, run ads, and increase our web presence every day. Bonus step. Hiring an Amazon virtual assistant is one of the best decisions you can ever make to grow your Amazon business more effectively. IT Solution NYC is the best place to hire a virtual assistant for your Amazon business. For more detail, contact us at www.itsolutionnyc.com.